In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Notion. Notion is a versatile tool loved by many for its ability to manage documents, projects, and wikis all in one place. But one feature that can sometimes elude even frequent Notion users is the process of printing. Whether you need a hard copy of your weekly plan, a report, or any other document, printing from Notion is a skill worth mastering. So, let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Head to your web browser and type in Notion, so to access your connected workspace. This is where all your projects, documents, and wikis reside. If you're not logged in already, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to Notion Home, which serves as your central hub. Next, you'll navigate to the particular page or database that you want to print. This could be a project timeline, a detailed report, or any document you feel is ready to be committed to paper. Once you've found it, click to open it. Now, things are about to get practical. Hover your cursor over the task, document, or whatever content you wish to print. You want to perform a right click at this point. For most, this is done with the right button on your mouse. However, if you're using a trackpad, use a two-finger tap or check your device settings if you're unsure about right-clicking. After you right-click, a menu will appear presenting various options. From the list, go ahead and click on Print. This action will trigger your browser's print dialog box, which is standard across different web platforms. In this print setup, you can make adjustments including the number of copies you desire, selecting a specific printer if you have more than one, or even setting the layout to landscape or portrait, depending on how you prefer your document to appear on paper. Remember to check the print preview to ensure everything appears exactly as you'd like it. This helps you catch formatting issues or misalignments that might need adjusting before you hit the final print button. Once you've checked everything's in order, confirm your selection by pressing the print button. And just like that, you've successfully printed from Notion. This straightforward method will help you keep a physical copy of your important documents at hand, ensuring you're always prepared for meetings, study sessions, or simply enjoying the tactile satisfaction of paper. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring all that Notion has to offer.